All right. Hey, Jaden, good morning. Hope you're doing well today. Yeah, real quick with your program, everything looks good. The only issue is I'm guessing you want these lines to be part of this else. And if you do it the way it is without squiggle braces for the else, it just this line is part of the else. So that this line is going to be run no matter what, right? So if I separate it here, basically these lines are not part of the else. So like if I do something over 100, it's going to run these lines and then also run these lines, right? So that's where you're getting the duplicate code from. So if I do like 155, right, it's printing out here and then also down here. Okay, so the way to fix it is just if you want to have more than one line in your else, you got to have curly braces. So put a curly brace there. I'm gonna move these back up here and put them inside, tab them over, and then add the curly brace. And so once we have that, now when I run 55, it'll only run this first setup here. And looks like it's working. So hopefully that fixes it. Just a couple curly braces. That's it. Let me know. Keep asking questions as they come up. Have a good day.